Hi everyone, welcome back to another day in the life. I quite like filming these because they're just quite chilled and relaxed, and yeah, I really like watching other people's day in their lives. So this is a Sunday, so I'm just gonna show you what we do on our Sunday. It's very chilled, so I'm getting ready for the morning, just putting on some makeup, and then I also curled my hair, which I never normally do, but for some reason I'm really enjoying having my hair down and then sort of wearing a hat over the top as well. My hair never stays curled, so the hat sort of helps it look a bit neater. So because it's a Sunday, obviously it's very chilled attire, so I just put on these very casual flared sort of trousers. They're very comfy, and then I've just got a black jumper on, and then, as I said before, I'm just wearing a beanie with this outfit. So what we like to do every Sunday is we basically go out on our walk, and then we walk to our local cafe where we'll get a coffee or hot chocolate, and just sort of sit there for a few hours. Charlie actually did get a breakfast as well, because I started doing breakfast, which was really nice. We're so lucky to actually live so close to the sea, so after our breakfast and coffee we just walk down to the seafront and enjoy the view, and then headed back home. I put on my comfy lounge wear for the rest of the day. Then I just got on with the housework, so obviously putting a wash on and getting all of that done early in the morning, so we don't have to worry about it later on. We can just both chill and relax and watch Netflix. I'll then have my vitamins, which is just a multivit and apple cider vinegar tablets. And then for breakfast, I fancied some sourdough with peanut butter and homemade jam. So the homemade jam is just like the raspberries, basically crush them up, put them in the microwave, and yeah, that's the homemade jam. I mean, if you wanted to do it properly, sort of add like syrup and chia seeds, put it on the hob for like a few minutes, and then you've sort of got a very thick jam. But this was just a quick and easy way of doing this. Then a few hours later I made a snack just before dinner. So it's just some banana on rice cakes, and then I just melted some lotus biscoff spread and poured that all over the top, and it was actually delicious. Okay, so for dinner, Charlie really wanted some soup, so I basically went to the shop when we was on our walk and picked up some parsnips and carrots. This soup is honestly so easy to make. You literally chop up an onion, chop the carrots and parsnips up, and then you just put them all in a pot on the hob, and then just dissolve some vegetable stock, which you'll see me do in a minute. And yeah, just pop it all into the pot, and then you just let it simmer for 20 minutes. And when it's all simmered and it's all pretty soft, you'll then just want to put it all into a food blender and blend it until there is no lumps or any chunks at all. It's just a really smooth soup. Honestly, it's so easy, and me and Charlie really enjoy this soup. I then just top it off with chili flakes and some salt, and then yeah, some sourdough to dip.